Is it the right time to make a move with NIO stock? Today, we're delving deep into NIO to provide you with a comprehensive analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 13, 2023, and now we're bringing you an even more detailed breakdown. To ensure you never miss our valuable updates, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Staying up to date is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Elevate your trading choices by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 8, 2023, our system has identified NIO as a strong sell candidate with a score of -5.62. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. NIO experienced a negative return of -8.84%. This means an average daily loss of -2.21% since it was listed as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating a further decline within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -36.15% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -40.95% and -30.89%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -11.28% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -19.77% and 83.34%. This means the stock price could range from $5.79 to $13.24 after a year. Our latest update for NIO brings us a headline, Red Day on Monday for NIO. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 13, 2023, the NIO stock price experienced a decline of -0.276%, dropping from $7.24 to $7.22. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 4.5%, reaching a low of $7.11 and a high of $7.43. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decrease of -3.99%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -5 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $245.54 million. Looking at the performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price the stock reached was $16.18, while the lowest price was $7. As of now, the current price is 55.38% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $8.96. Furthermore, it is also 89.22% lower than the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the stock price peaked at $66.99. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, June 12, 2023, Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have given NIO stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book value. However, for return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for NIO. We have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is a positive sign. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Both the short and long-term moving averages suggest selling, painting a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. Resistance levels at $7.71 and $8.12 may pose challenges on upward corrections, but if the stock breaks above these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Friday, November 3, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 12.27% decline so far. It's expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Today, we're going to discuss some interesting signals to watch out for in the stock market. One signal worth noting is the moving average convergence divergence, which suggests a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands also offer valuable insights, with a buy signal occurring 16 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we can see a sell signal 4 days ago. Unfortunately, we don't have data on the long-term moving average sell signal. However, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 62 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average showed a buy signal 8 days ago, whereas the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 41 days ago. Similarly, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 37 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, which means the stock may face significant challenges in the upcoming days. It's important to note that this stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock had a price fluctuation of $0.320, or 4.5%, between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.92%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for NIO, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. Established companies may experience temporary downturns due to external factors, but a consistently negative PE ratio could suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 28, 2024. Today, let's explore some important day trading levels for NIO. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $8.55. If you currently don't hold any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already invested in NIO, this could be a promising level for swing trading. It's important to note that there's no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. We have evaluated this stock negatively, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? Currently, NIO stock is showing several negative signals and is in a downward trend. Based on this, we predict that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Tuesday, November 14th, we anticipate NIO to open up by $0.0333 and start trading at $7.25. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the provided information, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinions, so please comment below and share your thoughts with us. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience. Thank you for joining us.